Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the IELTS Secrets podcast, your go-to resource for mastering the speaking section of the IELTS exam. I'm your host, Neil, an English instructor from New Zealand, here to guide you through today's topic, food and cooking. Let's explore 4 common speaking questions and learn how to tackle them effectively using structured templates. Question 1. What kinds of food do you like? When answering this question, it's crucial to use a structured template to ensure clarity and coherence in your response. Start by stating the type of food you enjoy, then provide reasons why. Here's our structure. I have always liked, and then one of the reasons for this is that, and therefore. Here is our Band 9 speaking response.
What kinds of food do you like?
I have always liked Italian cuisine. One of the reasons for this is that it offers a wide variety of flavors and textures, from hearty pasta dishes to delicate risottos. Therefore, whenever I have Italian food, I feel satisfied and content. For instance, last week, I tried a new restaurant that served authentic Italian pizza, and it was absolutely delicious.
Question 2. What kinds of things don't you like to eat? Use the provided template to structure your response logically. Begin by acknowledging the importance of the food in question, then state your personal preference and provide reasons why. Here is our structure. Although lots of people love to eat because, I don't personally like because, if, then. Here is our Band 9 speaking response.
What kinds of things don't you like to eat?
Although lots of people love to eat seafood because of its health benefits and rich nutritional content, I don't personally like it because of its strong fishy taste and smell. If I were to eat seafood, then I would prefer it to be prepared in a way that masks the fishiness, such as in sushi rolls with plenty of other ingredients to balance the flavor.
Question 3. Do you like cooking? Follow the structured template to provide a clear and organized response. Start by affirming your interest in cooking, then share a relevant detail or experience. Here is our structure. I do indeed. In fact, I have been cooking since, for example. Here is our Band 9 speaking response.
Do you like cooking?
I do indeed. In fact, I have been cooking since I was a teenager. For example, when I moved out of my parents' house and went to university, I had to learn how to cook simple meals to save money and eat healthily. Since then, cooking has become a passion of mine, and I enjoy experimenting with new recipes and techniques in the kitchen.
Question 4. What was the last thing you cooked? Use the provided template to structure your response effectively. Begin by describing the dish you cooked, then provide details about the ingredients and preparation process. Here's our structure. The last meal I cooked was, in order to cook, I used such ingredients as. Here is our Band 9 speaking response.
What was the last thing you cooked?
The last meal I cooked was a classic beef stir-fry. In order to cook this dish, I used ingredients such as thinly sliced beef, mixed vegetables, soy sauce, and ginger. Then, I marinated the beef in a mixture of soy sauce and ginger for added flavor before stir-frying it with the vegetables in a hot wok. It turned out to be delicious, and my family loved it.
Remember, dear IELTS candidates, using structured templates like the ones discussed today can significantly improve the coherence and fluency of your speaking responses, ultimately helping you achieve a higher score on the exam. If you want personalized feedback on your speaking, don't hesitate to send your audio responses to our website for evaluation by our experienced instructors. That wraps up today's episode. Tune in next time for more tips and strategies to help you succeed on the IELTS exam. Until then, keep practicing and stay confident. Goodbye for now.